One, two, three, start. Hello traders, Sid here with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you my TD Ameritrade setup. So I'm making this video mainly because when I started trading with TD Ameritrade platform, I did not know anything about proper trade setup, and most of the time I had few indicators on my chart, and that made me confused. At the same time, it didn't provide me any value. So just to get proper value from your trade setup, because your trade setup is a very important learning tool for you to get better in trading, because if your trading setup is proper, then you can extract much information from it. Even though you had like a losing trade or winning trade, you can go back and analyze, okay, this is what happened, this is where I opened my position, this is where I closed it, and this is the reason why I had profit or loss. So you can easily interpret that, and you can improve your trading trade by trade. And when I started my trading 2 years back, nobody suggested me to do that. I figured this stuff out by myself. But as a beginner trader, you should have your clean setup for trading, because that will give you more information, and information is a key when it comes to trading. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into it and let's see what I have here on my TD Ameritrade platform. First thing first is this main active trader window. Okay, so active trader window, I set it up with one chart over here and one chart over here. Now the both charts are set up for 1 minute time frame, and you can add one more chart like this, but I don't need it, so I can remove it, and I just have like a main chart and chart 2. And you can have this tabs over here to add or remove different widgets on your active trader window. Now why I have two charts over here is like, this is a chart where I have the moving average crossover indicator, and in the main chart I have VWAP. So VWAP and moving average crossover, these are the only two indicators that I have on my chart. On the moving average crossover, let me show you the setting, its setting as well. So I am using the 12 and 26 moving average to for the crossover strategy. And the crossover strategy is very useful because it gives you market sentiment during that time frame. On this chart, I have another moving average, but this moving average is not a scripted, or this moving average indicator is a script, and I imported that script from I searched it on Google and I found a very interesting script, so I imported that and I used it over here. In this case, on this bottom chart, I put these moving averages by myself. So if I go to the studies, then you can see here I have this moving averages, and I'm using 9, 20 and 50 moving averages over here, and all of them are color coded. So that's what I'm using over here. I have level 2 data over here, active trader window over here. Most of the time I don't use active trader, I just use time and sales. So time and sales window is over here. The two indicators that I used besides the moving average crossover indicator is RSI and buy and sell pressure. So RSI is a standard one, you can easily find out by going to studies, and if you type RSI, you can find it over here. So this is the one that I used for buying and sell pressure. This is the one that I found it on Google, I will attach both of the script for the moving average crossover and buy and sell pressure script down in the description below. If you want, just import it, and you can use it for your trade setup. So the way to import external script is like you can see here, import. So let me show you once again. You can go click edit studies, click on import, and import. You can import it by file name, or what you can do is click on create and you just copy paste that code and give it a name as you like, and then it will appear. Once you click on OK, it will appear over here. So that's it for my main active trader window. Those are the indicators that I use for day-to-day trading. So this is the main window that I used. Now as you guys can see here, I have this drawing tool pinned to my main chart, and I have this set up for the other charts as well. Now the one thing that I did to analyze the chart quickly on the different time frame is I linked them up with this green color, and that's very important because I can go to chart tab where I have chart set up for the different time frame, and it will open the same stock that I have on active trader window, and it will open different charts for the different time frame on the chart tab. So that's my overall active trader window. And if I go to chart now, I have 4 different chart layout for the different time frame, and these charts does not have any overlapping volume, or it does not have any indicator, because I just want to see the price action, pure price action. So this one is for 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour. And as you guys can see here, my crosshair is in sync with all the chart, and you can do that using this setting, manipulating this setting. Also, if you don't want volume to overlap on your chart, then just turn it off, and that option is over here. Let me show you once again. Go to settings, overlap volume, uncheck from here, and at the same time uncheck from here equities, option, future, and forex as well. That will take off that volume, and then you will have the clean chart over here. The other setting that I have done for my trading, day-to-day trading, is trading size. I'd like to go with 2 options at a time, and for that I built 2 different strategies: 10% profit with 5% stop loss, and 20% profit with 10% stop loss. So I can directly go here, click on that particular strategy, and it will give me 2 options which I usually trade with, and I can just change my price, and based on this price, this target price and stop loss price will change accordingly, and then I can just confirm and send it. It's quite easy and simple. I just go here, set my price, limit price, and send it, and I just have to wait for that order to get filled. That's how easy it is to trade with when you have the clean setup. So this is my setup. I will put, as I said, I will put the script for buy and sell pressure and moving average crossover indicator down in the description below. If you want, you can copy it and use it for your day-to-day trading. So that's it for this video, guys. I showed you everything that I have here on my active trader window, as well as a chart window, which different time frames I use for charting and everything. I hope you will get a better idea about how to set up your trading window. If you have any questions, just let me know. Just put a comment in the comment section, and I will answer it as best as I can. Also, as I said, you will find these 2 indicators, that is moving average crossover and buy and sell pressure scripts, down in the description below. Use it if you want to, and thank you for watching this video, and see you again in next video. Bye.